how to install your USB motorbike fast charger. Your USB charger is the perfect accessory for the motorbike phone holder, also available. Remember, this video is informational only. Consult a professional before doing any work on your bike. The charger connects to your battery with the wires shown. Strip away the first 2 to 3 centimeters of insulation from the end of your charger's wires. Twist the ends of the copper wires to prevent any strays. Remove any panels to access your battery. Loosen the terminals with a screwdriver. Connect the red wire to your battery's positive terminal. Connect the black wire to your battery's negative terminal, and ensure both terminals are screwed back tightly. Check the current is flowing correctly by switching your charger on. The LED inside should illuminate. You can now plug in your smartphone and enjoy Qualcomm fast charging. For more help and advice, visit our website at buyhelmets.online.